Race printing started as a family business back in 1992. Now, over 30 years we've been in business. It's been led by family leadership over the years. We wouldn't call a commercial printer at that time. We would be more of a storefront printer. So we were more a digital, small-scale offset printer. Diversity will be our core thing. We have a wide, diverse kind of customer base. For the last 10 years or more, we had a 40-inch press, which was conventional. And in our research, we found out that going towards an LED UV option would be preferable over the other options. It has been a little bit changed, but it's been for the good. And we have seen all the things that has been promised in regards to LED UV printing come into play in different opportunities that we are getting right now. Overall, efficiency and the speed and the turnaround time has all become narrowed down to a point that we are able to get jobs out in a much efficient and faster manner with just the implementation of Komori and with the LED UV press. Before, we had to wait for drying times. Now we don't have to. And instant curing is something that goes a long way in printing, and avoiding any kind of smudging or any kind of ink issues. That has been also avoided by implementing the Komori press. The decision for us to choose Komori, it was not even just a financial, it was more of what the package that we were getting with the machine itself. In that sense, I'm talking about the service part of it, and also as a company as a whole, who we're going to be partnering. And we've seen overall, at least for our fit and our need, Komori had the best offerings, not only in machine itself, but in the sales and also in the support area. We have sales staff and support staff, and everything was pretty seamless. And they guided us through this transition of getting into UV printing. We got a lot of support and training. Overall, it's been a very pleasant and fruitful partnership.
The press is fantastic. I handle all the scheduling, so the biggest part for me was the fact that it chews up work like no tomorrow. We previously had a 6-color, but it wasn't a Komori. And this make-readies are lightning fast. We're G7, so literally the profiles are just perfect. Our make-readies are super fast.
We've been seriously getting into packaging. With the digital capability that we have and with the Komori on the floor, able to do up to 40-point cover stack and things like that. So there's a wide array of packaging opportunity that we see, and we are slowly stepping into that market right now. What we could offer to our customers or future customers, that we value service, and we are able to cater and walk customers through even very complicated and custom projects.